All right, so practice problem 1. What is the value of every acute angle in the diagram below? So we have some vocab that maybe we know and maybe we don't. So acute means less than 90 degrees. Okay? And then obtuse would be greater than 90 degrees. Oops. In case you didn't know that. So they've only given us 2 angles. Those are the 2 angles we have to work with. We need to see, is there a special relationship between this angle here and this angle here? They're not alternate exterior. They're not alternate interior. They can't be corresponding because they're on different sides of this transversal, and they're not vertical. So no, there's nothing special about these. So we're going to write that they are supplementary. So this is our first time doing this type of example. Now, the note said, if they're supplementary, add the angles together, 7G plus 3G, and set them equal to 180. That's all that means, you guys. Okay? So follow the steps. There's no distributing. There are like terms here. That makes 10G. Now I'm going to isolate the variable by dividing by 10. So G is 18. Is that what they asked for? No. They asked for the acute angles, the small angles. So that's not going to be this one. That's clearly obtuse. So I need to figure out what is the measure of 3G. So I need to find 18 times 3. And it should be 54 degrees. So all of the acute angles are 54 degrees. And that's it. We're done with practice problem 1.